Hey guys, in this video I am going to show you how you can do product listing on Shopify. So there are a lot of way to do that and I'll go through a few of them in manual way. So without further ado, let's go to the screen and show you how you can do that. So first of all, we can see on the home page of Shopify, if you are not on this page, what you can do, you can log out and log in. I'm not doing that right now. So first thing first, go to the products and then you can see this interface and click on add product. Once you are there, you will see title, a description part, media part to upload product medias, and also a category section where you can select manually. And also there is option to do pricing and compare at price. Also you can see the cost, price, profit and margin. If you input these options, that will be also easier for you to manage and see what is your profit margin. And on the inventory section, you can easily see the inventories. For the shippings, you need to fix that from your shipping templates, and also for the variant. So let's start from the beginning. Right now, today my goal is to catch any of the product from here and make it a product listing on Shopify. So I can see this item. This is a iPhone 17 Pro Max case, and it's also have other variants. So I think I don't need to make it only for iPhone 17 Pro, and also there are colors. So a lot of things we have to do. So let's begin. First thing first, we'll go here and we'll paste it on this generate text box and hit generate. Once you click on it, so there is the option. So here is the new description, and according to that I should make a title. So okay, my title and the descriptions are ready. And I told you that once I put the title and description, it automatically choose the category. So no need to work on it. And right now I'll upload the image. So I'll catch the image from here. I don't suggest that if you are not the authorized brand owner of it. This is just for test purpose. Otherwise, what you can do, you can definitely prepare your own image. And if you want to do it easily, you can use Canva. And if you want a professional touch, I suggest you definitely Illustrator and Photoshop. So here you can upload like this way. Alternatively, you can also use some other methods. Like if you go there and here you can see the option to paste the URL. So let me try to upload some variant images, and I copied this one and paste it here. Add files. Okay, very simple. You can see that one is also added. So these are the ways to upload media. And right now you can see price and compare at price. So what is compare at price? To display a markdown, enter a value higher than your price. Often shows with a strike through. That means if you want to show the customer that you are going with a discount, then you will put a price here, and on the compared price you will definitely put a higher price. Then that will be shown as a strike through price. Let me give you an example. So let's put here 39 and put here 29.99. okay, so make it also same. And these are the options where you can calculate your profit. If you input these values on every of your product, I think you will easily understand the profit margin. So let me put some on, and so let's say our cost price is $9, so our margin is 70%. So here is the quantity options. It will be also upgradable. Right now I'm just inputting so that you can understand. And if you input these options like continue selling when out of stock, so once the product is out of stock, you can sell the product. Okay, product has a SKU and barcode. If you click on it, you will see these options. So otherwise you don't need to put. So I would say Shopify 2025 is the SKU here. And also if you have barcodes, like GTIN, UPC or EAN, you can put it here. Okay, and product weight, you can see the drop down option. So according to that, I think it should be LB. And so that's how you can input the value. I suggest you always input exact values. Also the country of origin is not required. So variant is here, and I think on the variant section there will be a color variant, and I need another option like let's say what was there on the right product. This is the size variant. So size, let's search this size. So as you can see, there is no option for size here. What I can do, I can create an option and let the option name to be size. So this is very customizable. And for the size names, let's say I'll create two options, iPhone 17 and iPhone 17 Pro. So I small letter, iPhone 17, and another one will be my iPhone 17 Pro. All right, I think why not iPhone 17 Pro Max? iPhone 17 Pro Max. So done. Now you can see the options here. Okay, so automatically Shopify synced some informations like this one is saying purple, but I already told you that our product, this product is not purple, this is blue. So let's add the blue color instead of purple. So here is the blue one. Okay, and if you want more custom variations, you can check this. Otherwise you can add options like material and everything. And if you want to delete something, you can click on delete. So right now I'll put the variant colors. So gold is this, and the blue one is this. You can add your, for the availabilities, you can see it's coming from this one, this quantity. Okay, and for the category meta fields, this will be shown on the front end, so you have to check. And if you want to add something else, you can also add them or delete it. Next part here is the status. So status is important. If status is showing active and you save that, that means your item will be live on your store. And it's if your status is draft, that means, and you save it, that means your item is not active on the store. And for the type and vendor and collection, this is a very important part. For the type, I think this will be phone case. So case, and let's say this vendor name is eCom clips. Collection is very important, because if you want to add any item to any collection, and for those pages, collections are kind of pages, so on those pages you can display this item. Right now if I say that the collection is home page, so if I click on that, that means on the home page this item will be appear. And on the tag section, as tags are very important for SEO purpose, so I'm just trying to show you, but you can use keyword research tools. I'll not suggest ChatGPT always. I'm just trying to give you an example, but you can see if you go with some other tools like SEMrush, then you will get some value of them, and you will understand. Okay, right now I'm just trying to show you how you can add them on Shopify, but there are a lot of videos and lot of ways to make the product SEO friendly. Okay, so I just added a few, but you can add as much as you want. Right now you can see theme template default product. On every theme you can create your own version of product design. So like on the product page, how the product page will look. So right now there is only one version. Otherwise, if you created a few others, then you can select any of them. And lastly, you can see that the search engine listing. This is very important because otherwise it will be coming from the description. This one is coming from the title, and this one is coming from the title as well. You can see iPhone hyphen, and after every word there will be a hyphen. And now if you click on this drop down on the variant section, you can add the variant units. So also you have to do it, otherwise the item will be out of stock. Okay, and also for this one, so now hit save, and your item will be active and purchasable for the customers. So now click on preview so that we can see how it will look on the front end. So here it is right now. You can see the colors. If you go to blue, on the blue section, or maybe on on the blue section, we made one item out of stock, which is this one, and you can see the out of stock item is sold out, showing sold out. Okay, which is fine. And for the gold, you can see all the items are purchasable, like for all the sizes. So right now you can see the descriptions. You can design it more frequently for the product page. If you want to see those type of videos, how you can customize your pages and design it, go to our videos and find out the Shopify related design videos. So that's the way you can do easily product listing. And if you would like to know a lot of ways to build your Shopify store, like this video and subscribe to our channel. We do regular videos on Shopify. So that's all for today. See you in the next video. Peace.